Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you how to make a 12 volt battery. Here you can see that lithium ion battery cell. There is 6 lithium ion battery cell. I will connect 2 cells in parallel. Each cell will connect in series then. Here you can see that there is positive. I connect in parallel, then I connect in series, positive negative, and there is positive negative. Now let's connect it. Dear friend, here you can see that 0 volt wire. There is 4 volt wire. There is 8 volt wire connection. And there is 12 volt wire connection. Now let's connect it. So friend, all connection have been done. Here you can see that there is input and output wire. So friend, here you can see that all connection have been done. There is positive wire and there is negative wire of output. Input and output both wire. Now let's stamp for testing. Here you can see that battery perfectly working. So friend, that's all about from my this video. In next project I will made this light. Here you can see that using this battery. So stay tuned, subscribe and press bell icon for my next project notification. Have a great day.